Welcome back to Quantreef.com. Bitcoin's trading around 80,289, right in the middle of a tight range that's been building for hours. Today we'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where price likely goes next. Price is holding at 80,289, sitting above both the session VWAP near 79,744 and the anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low, which are bunched together around 79,300, so we can treat that as one zone. Being accepted above all of that tells you buyers still have the edge, even though momentum itself reads more neutral than aggressive. The heatmap data itself isn't giving us clean pull numbers this run, but the stop hunt risk reading is flagged high, which lines up with what the structure panel shows, price wedged between a swing low support and a stop level just below it. That's exactly the kind of setup where a quick either direction to clear resting stops is common before the real move shows up. On the panel right now, resistance above is target 1 at 81,260, then target 2 up at 86,361, and target 3 near 92,850. Below, support sits at the 1H swing low, 79,700.5, with the stop loss level just under it at 79 for 64. Given price is closer to target 1 than to that swing low, I'd lean toward resistance getting tested first, with a clean break below 79,700 invalidating the bullish red. There are no unfilled gaps above price right now, but below we've got 3 bullish daily and 4-hour gaps stacked from about 76.5 down to 70,000. Those are magnets if this pulls back, especially the nearest one around 6.5% under current price. On the Fibonacci side, price is sitting just above the 0.382 retracement at 79,844, inside the recent swing, with extension targets up near 82,268 and 83,550. I'd expect price to react to that 0.382 level before it even gets near those daily fair value gaps. The grade reads neutral, with an N of 86 and HTS at 64. Trend and structure is carrying it at 79.4, volume and liquidity strong at 83.8, while macro regime and crypto relative strength sit flat at 50, and institutional and sentiment layers aren't populated this run. Without a clean positioning split to lean on, the read here is more structural than crowd-driven right now. With price accepted above VWAP and the 0.382 fib, the path of least resistance looks like a probe toward target 1 at 81,260 and possibly the 1272 extension near 82,268. If buyers clear that, the daily structural resistance up at 82,630 becomes the next real test. If sellers instead reclaim below 79,700, the stop level at 79 for 64 comes into play fast given that high stop hunt risk flag. Bullish case, holds above 79,700, confirms on a break of 81,260, invalidated under 79 for 64. Bearish case, loses 79,700, opens the door toward those daily fair value gaps near 76.5, invalidated back above 81,260. So we're sitting right at a decision point, whichever side takes the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next few hours. If this kind of structural, probability-based read is useful, give the video a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability score, and liquidity mapping across over 100 coins, and there's a 7-day trial if you want to dig in yourself. As always, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.